research, product design, teaching. This is why you choose engineering. The power to build, to solve, and to create what's next. But then you feel it, the gap. The gap between the classroom formula and the real-world problem. The fear that after 4 years, you won't be ready for day one. Here's what changes everything. Here's the single biggest secret the industry knows. Simulation tools are not the job, they are just 30% of it. The real job, the 70%, is you, your domain knowledge, your ability to apply physics and math, your critical thinking. This 70% is what makes you a billable engineer who can solve new problems, not just run old ones. So how do you bridge that 70% gap? You train with the people who defined it. We at Innovent EduTech aren't academics. We are industry leaders with over 2 decades of experience at top aero, auto, and OEM companies. We know what interview questions you'll be asked because we've written them. And we've built the only program you need to answer them. Our program is built in 4 phases. Phase 1 isn't another lecture. It's a fundamental rewiring of how you think and build. We don't just give you the formula. We force you to apply it to real-world situations, analyze the cause and effect, and evaluate design from actual aero and auto case studies. This is where you stop memorizing and start conceptualizing. Phase 2 is where the training wheels come off. This is your deep dive into the mind of a senior designer. You get 49 detailed hand calculation projects that are idealized industry problems. You'll see why top engineers trust hand calculations to validate software results and pioneer new products. You'll learn to solve the problem with your mind, not just your mouse. Forget rote tests. Our assessments are the learning. Phase 3 has over 600 carefully crafted exercises designed to make you think, visualize, and reason like an engineer. These aren't pass and fail. They are benchmarks that measure your growth from basic knowledge to true application. You're not just building accuracy, you're building engineering instinct. In a data-driven world, the engineer who can't code is left behind. While Python courses teach you to code, we teach you to solve structural mechanics with code. Phase 4 teaches you to use Python, NumPy, and Matplotlib to simulate stress and vibration, interpret results, and provide actual design recommendations. You become the double threat, the domain expert and the automation expert. We don't just teach syntax. Every problem follows a rigorous 8-step industry workflow, from real-world context to final design facts, ensuring you connect the physics, the code, and the engineering judgment exactly like a seasoned expert. This entire program, its essence, is captured in 2 essential ebooks. These aren't just textbooks, they are your indispensable resource for life. With over 500 conceptual discussions and 50+ real-world case studies, this is the reference library you'll use for your entire career. This is the need of the hour. The industry is not waiting. New product introductions demand engineers who can think, not just operate software. This is how you become a billable core engineer from day one. This is the industry-aligned program you can bring to your students. And this is the bridge to fill the gap and accelerate your career. Simulation tools are easy to learn. Engineering instinct is not. Innovent EduTech's Structural Mechanics for Designers and Analysts is a program designed by the industry for the industry. Click on the link, fulfill your dream, and become the engineer you were meant to be.